Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Northern Elders Forum, an organization that speaks for the North, especially the conservative North, has served notice that they made a mistake in the North voting for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2023 presidential election, and that they are not going to repeat that mistake in 2027. The person who said this is their spokesperson, Abdullazeez Suleiman. He's somebody I know fairly well, and for him to speak like that, it means that the Northern Elders Forum mandated him to make that a public issue so that Tinubu be aware that things have changed. Their perception of him has changed. Of course, I know that the Northern Elders Forum may be dismissed as they are just speaking for themselves. But there is no doubt about it that while most Nigerians agreed that the 2023 presidential election was compromised, many Nigerians believe that it was rigged against Peter Obi of the Labour Party, who many believed won that election. But be that as it may, you will agree with me that the only reason Bola Ahmed Tinubu is sitting pretty in the presidential villa today is largely because of Northern governors' support. Because if the North had backed one of their own, let's say that they picked between Atiku Abubakar and Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, and that election is free and fair, there is no way Bola Ahmed Tinubu would have gotten the chunk of the votes he got. Because let's put it this way, INEC allocated Bola Ahmed Tinubu about 8.7 million votes, with which he won the election. And about 5.3 million of that vote supposedly came from the North. Supposedly. And the rest came from perhaps Southwest. And that was it. Bola Ahmed Tinubu didn't make any much impact. He was largely rejected in southern Nigeria. So when the Northern Elders begin to talk like this, I'm sure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not dismiss it. But even at that, we know that if the election of 2027 is free and fair, it will take a miracle of unprecedented proportion for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to be re-elected under the present economic hardship in the country, under the present suffering of the Nigerian people. It will be very, very difficult for Nigerians to be able to support a candidate of the APC, because already you can see what is happening to the country, how terrible things has become for Nigerians, how Nigerians are finding it very difficult to feed. Poverty has increased in an unprecedented proportion. So all these issues shows that if there is an election today, there's no way Bola Ahmed Tinubu will win. in that statement by Abdullazeez Suleiman, he made reference to the insecurity that is getting worse in northern Nigeria, that he had not done much to curb the insecurity, and then you now combine it with the hardship. So it is a fact that if Tinubu cannot even satisfy those who supposedly voted for him from the north, and the general, all parts of the country are complaining about the state of the nation, economically and security-wise. So where is he going to get the votes to be re-elected in 2027? And already we all know about the sentiment of Northerners, especially with the relocation of departments of the Central Bank of Nigeria to Lagos, with the relocation of Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria to Lagos and all that. So all kinds of things are giving them the impression that they made a mistake. And in that, when Abdullazeez was speaking, he was asked about Peter Obi. Of course, he was being diplomatic. They were asking him whether they regretted or not for supporting Peter Obi. He didn't make reference to Peter Obi, but he was talking that they made a mistake in 2023 and they are not going to repeat that mistake in 2027, that they are going to vote for a candidate that will be inclusive leader, that will take care of all parts of the country without discrimination and all that. In other words, the Northern elders are also accusing Bola Ahmed Tinubu of not being fair to all Nigerians in his dealings as the leader of the country. So it is something that the president should be worried about, should be concerned about it. But even at that, it is difficult. It will be difficult for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to win 2027 presidential election with the state of the nation, with the suffering of Nigerian people, with the alienation of significant section of this country. It will be difficult. So what the Northern elders are doing, they are even doing Bola Ahmed Tinubu a favor by making it public for him to know. Perhaps he may try to assuage their fears between now and then and 2027. But he should not dismiss it. He should not say that what they are saying does not matter. Because you see a repeat of the Buhari system is what we are getting. We are seeing a government that does not care about the people, a government that does not listen, a government that are doing its appointment largely based in the pattern of Buhari, which now gives credence to his pledge during the campaign that he will continue where Buhari stopped. And if he's to continue on that trajectory, Northern elders is saying that he's not going to get their vote. And of course, he's not going to get the vote of the Northern, the Middle Belt Forum, which is a section of the North. That one is for sure. He's not going to get it. But right now, I know that the Middle Belt Forum, they are supporting him in the sense that he is now on the seat. But that's not their choice. The Middle Belt Forum was totally for Peter Obi before and after the election. So, to me, I think the Northern elders, they have done him a favor by telling him, you are not going to get our vote next time. It is now left for him to run a government that will be a pan-Nigerian government. But that's all I can say about this. But the fact remains that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is president today with the help of INEC and Northern votes. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.